Hey guys, so this is how you're going to add a filterable gallery on your Wix website. Just head over to this left side panel and click on add element. Before we do that, I'm actually going to add a section here first so that it becomes clear to you. I'm going to add elements once again, and then let's go to store. And then from here, I'm going to select from the grid product library or gallery, and then drag and drop it to my page right here. Now from here, I am just going to click on the settings right here. It's going to take us from the grid gallery settings. Now from here, just head over to the filters tab and then toggle on show filters to show filters. Now to make this clear to you, this is only available for the gallery that actually has parameters or values that you can measure or you can filter. Without that, you cannot add any filters because of course you don't have the price, the color, the size. Like if you have no categories to filter, it won't be applied or it won't be effective to your Wix website. So after that, as you can see, it has already been applied to our product page or our gallery, and that's it. That is how you can add a filterable gallery in your Wix website.